How to access SAP SuccessFactors Employee Login. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to access SAP SuccessFactors Employee Login account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. Then in the address bar, type in sap.com. Then on the login page, you will see the fields of your username and password. Enter the SAP SuccessFactors username, employee ID or email address. Then tap next. Then enter your SAP SuccessFactors password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password option. Now enter your email address and tap submit. After entering your credentials and completing any necessary process, you will be directed towards the SAP SuccessFactors dashboard, where you can access your employee information, pay slips, benefits and more. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.